Welcome back to another Red Wiggler Wednesday. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. It's October the 30th of 2019. It's been 1 year and 13 weeks since we got started with the Red Wigglers in the Worm Factory 360. Last week we moved the tray from the bottom up to the top. Actually, I believe it was the tray in the middle. Try to get the worms to migrate down. There's a few worms still in here, but not that many that I can see. Another there. Might as well go ahead and grab it and toss him in this middle tray that used to be our top tray. You can see some of the castings on top. Couple worms on top. Definitely making some castings in there. Quite a bit of cardboard. See if we got any food left. Not seeing any. This tray is full, so I'm trying to be careful not to spill it out. Oh, I feel some worms right there in the middle. Let's see what we got here. So whatever was left of that food, they are balled up in there. What do we got here? Looks like a banana. There's a nice ball of red wigglers. What do we got down here? That's the ooey gooey I was feeling, I bet. Look at that. So just like yesterday's European nightcrawler video, they have moved into the banana and are straight wearing it out. I mean, that thing is full. Not seeing very many mites. I see a few here and there. That is nice to look at. Might be our thumbnail. Let's see if we can't find something better. Yeah, there's still some paper in that bottom tray. We're gonna leave it alone. I did have a few questions, and I'd seen a few comments on Facebook groups about the stackable trays getting compacted. That's why I've got these PVCs in all four corners. Help them from compacting down so much. It does seem to help. Here is my castings bin. I went ahead and put my hunting boots down in the castings. Got some new hunting boots, and I'm gonna see if that'll help give them a earthy smell. And of course we got Nicholas. Not getting no attention. Wants to hang out. Alright, let's check in on what I've been calling the holding bin. Got a few worms on top. The bubble wrap. And you can look at those castings on top. A few worms on top. Some good size to them for red wigglers. Just kind of mix this up. See some worms. Lots and lots of red wigglers. They look good and healthy. Some good size to them. Just want to kind of aerate this. since I don't have drainage holes, I think it's a waste of a bin to put a drainage holes in. And to put another bin underneath. Did have a few comments when I'd asked what I should do. Look at that. Just looks beautiful. If I should split this up or not. I definitely think I'm going to just have to decide. It's going to be in another bin or mortar tray. I'd love to be able to get another continuous flow through a vermi bag or a urban worm bag, because I don't have any red wigglers in one of those systems. Alright, that's mixed up good. Got them all woke up. There's no telling how many worms are in there. Probably need to add some food. Looks like they've gone through all the baiting. Speaking of baiting, here's our horizontal migration bin. This is what has all been pretty much worked through. This is our end we're trying to get them to migrate to. We added coffee a few weeks ago. We did not pull it out last week. I didn't think there had been as full potential on the worms moving over yet. So we're going to go ahead and move these over into our holding bin. See what we got. Yeah, I'm seeing a few worms. Not a ton. There's still quite a bit of coffee on the coffee grounds, or coffee grounds on the filters. Move that a little closer. See what else we got. There's a good wad of worms there. Yeah, got a few. Ooh, there's a cocoon. I haven't seen a red wiggler cocoon in forever. It'll focus for me. Right there in the center of the screen. So they've laid, some worm, laid a cocoon in the coffee. It's pretty cool. Hashtag cocoon in the coffee. Yeah, there's a good size one there. So we got a few worms moved over into the coffee. I'll try to get that separated there so I'm not leaving coffee on the castings. Yeah, just a few in that handful. So it does not look like the coffee worked as well for migrating, but it did work some. We got some worms over there in it. I think that's the most of it there. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. If we got any worms left, if we got them all migrated or not. Of course, we got all of our eggshell fell down to the bottom. Just kind of happens when you fluff. I don't grind it down super fine. I just put it in the blender with the food. We got a bunch of worms out, but there's still, I'd say, a couple hundred left. A little wad of bedding and some potato. So I'm going to go ahead and fluff this up. I don't think it's going to hurt anything to fluff it up a little bit. Let them get some air in them castings. Yeah, there's still quite a few worms. A little bit of cardboard. And I'm going to pull all this to one side. We'll bait in that same corner. There's a good looking night crawler. Excuse me, good looking red wiggler. They got some size to them compared to the ones in the Worm Factory 360. For sure. The bins, the totes. I don't know what it is, just seems like they're bigger. I'd say this video is already pretty long, so I'm going to go ahead and bait that side, put some bedding and some bait. See what it looks like next week when we check it. Got a crawler trying to escape up the side. I'm going to go ahead and bait that off camera. Not going to worry about feeding the Worm Factory 360 this week. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave those down below. Until next time, have a great day.